Now let us right click and click view in browser. It is showing Google Chrome because the default web browser is Google Chrome. Click. Now if you'll get the following error, click OK, and here I'll mention this link in the video description. You need to download and install IIS, that is Internet Information Services. This is an official link from Microsoft. So I'll just click download. I'll keep the language as default English and click download. Now you can see here 32-bit version is visible. Below you can see the 64-bit one. Okay, so I'll select the following English and it's for 64-bit. Click download, it's only 10 MB. Now here it is downloading. We have downloaded the IIS. Right click and click open to begin the installation. The installation started. Select I accept. Click install. Now IIS will install. Click finish. Minimize. Now I'll just go to file, click save all, and you need to restart it. After restarting, I'll right click and click view in browser. Now the problem got fixed and we have our answer. Here it is on localhost, and we printed heading 1, heading 2 and a text using the following.